In 1912, the Titanic, hailed as the unsinkable ship, set sail for New York, but disaster awaited. With over 2,200 passengers and crew on board, the Titanic was the largest moving object on Earth, a symbol of human achievement. But on April 14th, disaster struck. Around midnight, the Titanic collided with an iceberg. The ship's hull was pierced, flooding its compartments. Despite their unsinkable reputation, the ship began sinking gradually. In less than 3 hours, the Titanic sank to the bottom of the Atlantic Ocean. Over 1,500 lives were lost, many due to the lack of lifeboats and time to escape. The sinking of the Titanic led to changes in maritime safety, including mandatory lifeboats and iceberg patrols. Its story lives on, reminding us of the fragility of even the grandest of human creations.